Do you know what all badass bosses have in common? Confidence. They know who they are, what they want, and they have the courage to go after it. Now, if I were to ask you, how confident do you feel right now? What would you say? Do you feel like you have the confidence to go after what you want? Or maybe you're feeling stuck and unsure and lacking clarity on what to do. If you're feeling this way, you are not alone. You see, people live their lives based on other people's expectations of them, and they find themselves in unfulfilling careers, relationships, and lifestyles. And social media is a major contributor to this. We spend our time comparing our lives to people we don't even know, and this leads us to feel like we're not enough. Not pretty enough, not rich enough, not thin enough, not young enough, not whatever enough. So we do things to try and make ourselves feel better. You may go on yoga retreats or post inspirational mantras, or maybe you feel inspired by watching Beyonce kill it on stage. The problem is, these are only temporary solutions, and this is why I created YUSchool. It's a step-by-step process designed to take you from stuck and disconnected to confident and crystal clear in who you are and what you want. YUSchool includes professionally produced videos, a self-study workbook, meditations, visualizations, and a supportive community. Graduates of YUSchool who are women just like you have literally transformed their lives. They've seen their businesses flourish, changed careers, found real authentic love, relocated, and gained deeper meaning and purpose in their lives. You deserve to be who you are and to live a life that you desire. You have the power to change your life. The choice is yours. I can't wait to see you in YUSchool and for you to become the badass boss you were born to be. Sign up today and finally make the choice to be you with confidence.